So why were some Trump aides prosecuted for defying Congress, while others got a pass? It's a real puzzle.
Okay, so here's the lineup. 4 key officials all defied subpoenas, but the Justice Department only prosecuted 2 of them.
This left a lot of people scratching their heads, even on Capitol Hill. So what explains the DOJ's choices?
At its core, this whole thing is a classic constitutional tug-of-war. We're talking Congress versus the president.
So here's how Congress holds someone in contempt. It's a formal process that lands right on the DOJ's desk.
And on the other side, you've got the president's main defense, executive privilege. It's all about protecting private advice.
But it gets more specific. The real heart of the matter is something called testimonial immunity for top aides.
And here's the crucial detail. The DOJ says former aides don't get absolute immunity, just a weaker, qualified version.
First up, Bannon and Navarro. They basically took a hardline stance. Total defiance with absolutely no negotiations.
But Meadows and Scavino played it differently. They lawyered up and actually engaged with the committee, at least at first.
To really get why the DOJ made these calls, you have to think like a prosecutor. It's all about what you can win in court.
And it turns out the key wasn't the immunity claim itself. It was about having a defensible reason to make that claim.
So what was the one thing Meadows and Scavino had that the others didn't? It all comes down to a piece of paper.
And there it is. Their lawyers got a letter from Trump's attorney telling them to stand firm. This gave them a legal defense.
Navarro, though, never got a letter like that. This left him without a viable, I was just following a directive, defense in court.
For prosecutors, that letter was everything. It created just enough legal doubt to make a conviction seem like a long shot.
But wait, the story is not over. The DOJ then did something that basically changed the rules for the future.
They went on the record stating that former aides are not immune. This move completely closes that potential loophole.
So you can see the shift. Before, the law was murky. Now the Justice Department has made its position crystal clear.
So the big takeaway? The DOJ drew a line based on a legal defense and then erased that very same line for the future.
Which leaves us with a big question. In this constant battle between the White House and Congress, who has the upper hand now?